Hey mates, I'm Alex.
And I'm Gaston.
Welcome to PowerMate.
This is a place to learn and share about Fabric and Power Platform. If this is your first time here, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this channel with your friends and colleagues.
Well, PowerMates, today we're diving into the exciting new features and enhancement in the publishing in the 2025 release Wave 1 for Microsoft Power Platform.
That's right, Alex. In this video, we are trying to explore how those updates can transform different business process and drive innovation in your environment, covering AI-powered tools, enhanced security measures, and user experience improvement. So let's get started. Stay tuned.
Let's talk about the AI-powered tool. These new capabilities are designed to automate tasks and provide intelligent insight. With the new features in AI Builder, for example, you can create better custom AI models without any coding. If you remember on previous episode, we were talking about AI Builder and the improvement of the model. So in this release Wave 1 for 2025, those custom AI models could be better created, and you can even better tweak it and customize them to have better results. So yeah, stay tuned for more demos. You can imagine the time you will save with this automated process. So let's check 2 points here. On the AI Builder enhancement, new capabilities allow users to create again the AI model without coding, but helping to analyze data and predict outcomes and automate some decision-making process. And then the other enhancement talking about AI powered tools, of course, is Copilot for Power Apps. And even more, is like the plan designer for Power App on the new features on the AI plan designer for Power Apps. So makers and users can leverage AI to build not just apps, build solutions, incorporate natural language processing for enhanced productivity.
Yeah, that's right on, Alex. Let's talk now about security enhancements. So, of course,
At your idea, my friend.
yeah, security is one of the top priorities. In this release, this includes some enhanced measures to protect the data and ensure compliance. So the new security enhancements include, for example, advanced threat detection, improved security in the measures to detect and mitigate threats more effectively. Then another great example is the data encryption and compliance, or enhanced tools for data protection, compliance management to safeguard sensitive information.
Yeah, Gaston, and these features will help you to safeguard your sensitive information. In the other hand, meet regulatory requirements. And then we have the user experience enhancement. The UX has been improved with the new intuitive interface and streamlining workflows in Power Automate. Maybe if you were working around, you can see try the new interface and all on the top of the right hand side on the Power Automate pages. So the update of the user interface, it makes it more intuitive and user-friendly, making it easier to you and the makers to navigate and complete tasks. Plus, the new workflow automation tool helps you to streamline your processes and improve, of course, productivity.
Yeah, so now let's take some kind of a level of look in some of the real world application applying all these new features. For example, custom AI agents, tools that you can develop and to create custom AI agents that can automate different tasks and provide intelligent insights, like integration capabilities. That's a new one, that improved all the integration with other Microsoft services, third-party applications to enhance any kind of business operations.
That's his PowerMate. That's wrap a little bit on the 2025 release Wave 1 for Power Platform. Yeah, we highlight some of the key features or we identify that could be pretty interesting for you. So we hope you found this video informative and inspiring. Thanks for watching, and don't forget, as usual, to subscribe to our channel, hit that notification bell, and join us on this journey.
As usual, together, let's unlock the full potential of Power Platform and Microsoft Fabric.
Yeah.